Last night I had a dream of us coming together.
Okay, Joanie. From Samui.
From Samui, Koh Samui,
Koh Samui.
Thailand. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Feliz Navidad.
Oh yeah, it's been Feliz. Now we were going to look up how to actually say it properly in Italian, but it's not going to sound right from us. But anyway.
Yeah, I'm completely, I've never heard it before. Merry Christmas in Italian. Maybe we can have, well, it should be on the WhatsApp. But
so now,
unfortunately, we don't know.
We just did our 10 laps. There and back. So 20. I always swim one way and I walk back the other way to exercise my toes and stuff like that. But anyway, about just over half an hour exercising in the water. It's perfect. I love it.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. We've got this backdrop.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future?
Beautiful. Beautiful, warm.
100 feet long. We swim this every day?
Yep.
What do? We do 10 laps one way. Well, we do 10 laps.
10 laps times 2 directions, so that's 20.
I mean, how can you not do
Beautiful. Our apartment is up there. And you just walk down and this is your view. Beautiful view. All the flowers are white. Magnolias. Green and white. And all the apartments have white shutters. Everything is painted white. Beautiful, stunning. Beautiful place.
Well, Joanie, you're trying out your third new bathing suit today, no?
This is my bathing suit wardrobe, but I wanted
Oh, look at that private jet, Joan. Yeah. Yeah. Probably. I know. Are you going for a swim?
Yep.
Swim with them on. It doesn't matter.
Perfect weather.
Yeah.
Perfect temperature.
Perfect temperature. Oh yeah. Look at that. What? Christmas morning. Right, Joanie? From Samui. Ciao. Joanie, what are we doing today?
Our lobster. Lobster.
Fantastic. Let's go do it.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains.
This is a walk we've done very often.
In reply, echoing their joyous strains.
What do you think, Joanie? What a crazy,
Staying out of the way.
what a fantastic place, no?
Oh yeah, it's
Oh,
amazing.
that's
You
so
cannot
dope.
make this up.
No.
Shall see still glow.
Good morning, Leigh. How are you? 2 lobster, 2 big ones, no? That's good. Perfect. Ciao. Come on.
Heaven see him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee. Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo Gloria, in excelsis Deo. See him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth.
Last night, I had a dream of us coming together.
This is unbelievable. This lobster with that sauce that I made. Oh. Well, Joanie, we went out, and that took 15 minutes to make that lobster. The rest took a little. Potatoes took a little longer, but still.
You baked the sweet
I did.
potatoes.
Yes, I
purple
did.
Potatoes,
Yes.
actually.
Oh, yes, sweet potatoes. Yes.
Yeah, sweet purple potatoes.
Yeah.
Really good for you. And then we have the lobster, which is turned out phenomenal. Really.
You want to take a bite?
Yes. Look at this.
Every land was thriving with love
This
and
is
prosperity.
lobster.
Oh, I know. I had it. It is
Heavenly.
really good.
It's amazing.
And the sauce is butter,
Just straight
onions, baked onions, sautéed,
Yes.
and
Garlic.
garlic, of course,
Yeah.
and salt and pepper.
Yeah. A little bit of
It's just,
in there.
oh yeah,
And
it is really,
French butter.
yeah, of course French butter, yes. That is good. Wow.
Wow.
Now it's my turn. Ciao. Today we went, got lobster, it was caught today. Baked it in the oven with a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic, and fit for 15 minutes. It's just perfect.
Wow.
Fantastic. And then these baked sweet potatoes.
Purple. Yeah. Wonderful.
These are baked onions. Your father taught me how to do them.
Fabulous. Fabulous. A great Christmas Eve.
Last night, I had a dream of us coming together. Last night, in my dream, I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe. East to the west and south to the north, people were living in peace, seeing the eyes of justice everywhere. Every land was thriving with love and prosperity. And I woke up asking myself, oh, I woke up asking myself, why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we achieve a sustainable peace? Why can't we have a sustainable future? Why can't we? Last night, I dreamt of an end to poverty. امبارح في المنام شفت الناس كل الناس هموم كل الناس جروح نواح عزلة وحزن البيوتات تهدد من كتر الفقر الشوارع ما أمان ولا الشفع فرحانة